Welcome dear students. In this video lecture we are going to see how to solve the isometric projection problem. So this is the problem. A square pyramid of base side 40 mm and axis height 55 mm is placed centrally over a square slab of 60 mm side and 15 mm thickness which is resting on HP. Draw the isometric view of the combination. Before going to solve the problem, let's have a rough look over the environment. So here, like the previous problems, we are going to draw two solids in combination, and the bottom solid is a square slab and the top solid is a square pyramid. Bottom solid square slab of 60 mm side and a thickness as 15 mm, and the top solid is also a square based solid, a square pyramid with a 40 mm side and 55 mm axis height. It's placed centrally over the bottom solid. The base side of the top solid is 40 mm and the axis height is 55 mm. So this is nothing but the solids which we are going to solve, which we are going to draw. And first we needed to start with the orthographic projection. Roughly I will explain what are the workload here. First we are going to draw the orthographic view of the bottom solid, that is our square slab and its respective front view. And after that I am going to draw the orthographic view of the top solid square pyramid, which is placed centrally over our bottom solid. And after drawing the orthographic views of the two solids, we can go for drawing the isometric view. So first, as usual, I have to draw the bottom solid isometric view. Thereafter, I am going to draw the isometric view of the top solid. So this is what the work we are going to do now. Let's go on do the task one by one. Starting from the XY line, we can start to draw the orthographic views of the bottom and the top solids. The bottom solid square slab is having 60 mm side. So I needed to draw a 60 mm side square as the base view of the solid. And then I needed to mark the center. And then the projectors for all corners. Let me to mark the names of base and face corners. The height, that is the thickness of the bottom solid, given as 15 mm. Now the orthographic view of the bottom solid is over, and then the top solid is also a square based solid, a square pyramid of base side 40 mm, and the base view of the top solid is also available in the top view. So in the top view area, I am going to draw the square base of the top solid, which is 40 mm side. Here I am drawing without dimensions, but in your work you have to draw perfect dimensions. It is a square pyramid, so it's going to have the slant edges. Let me to mark the corners of the top solid. And the axis height of the top solid is given as 55 mm. That axis height has to be calculated from the top surface of the bottom solid. And let me to connect the slant edges in the front view. Now the orthographic projection of the solid combination is over. We can go for drawing the isometric view of the solids. First I need to draw the isometric axis, that is a horizontal line, and then I have to mark the origin. After that, both in left side and right side, I need to draw two lines with 30-degree inclination with the bottom horizontal line. Now I can start to draw the bottom solid isometric view first. That is a square slab with 60 mm side and 15 mm thickness. Here the bottom bottom left corner of the square slab is D. That D can be located in the origin of the isometric axis, and then with the length for 60 mm, the side length 60 mm. In the left side I need to mark the corner A, and in the right side with the 60 mm length I have to mark the corner C. I am marking the distance with approximate manner only in this situation, and you have to draw with the true dimension in your paper. So this corner is A and that corner is C. And in order to locate the corner B, what I needed to do is I need to set the drafter parallel with the side DC and draw a line from A, and then set the drafter parallel to AD, and from the corner C draw one more line. These two lines will intersect at a point, and that intersection point is nothing but the corner B. And then the corners 1, 2, 3, 4 can be elevated up to the height of 50 mm, 15 mm from the corners A, B, C, D respectively. So from A, fifteen mm, from D, 15 mm, from C, 15 mm, again from B, 15, and then roughly I can connect them with the 2H pencil. Yes. Now the work is over. I just drawn the isometric view of the bottom solid. After that I needed to draw the base of the top solid first. For that I can follow some little geometrical tricks. First I needed to mark the 2 points obtained by moving the corners D and A towards the corner of the bottom box, and then these 2 points can be located here and there in order to identify. So roughly I am marking them. The apex point, now it's in the base, and this can be moved up to the height of 55 mm. And we can connect the visible slant edges with the bottom corners of the top solid. And then we can connect the all visible edges with the HB pencil. For both bottom and the top solids. In this way, I can draw the isometric view of this solid combination. You can try the same with the proper tools in your hands, paper. Thank you.